Have you ever wondered why some people at university eat pizza and look like Greek gods, while you're stuck choosing between constant hunger and being a bulky mess? What if I told you that your goal isn't to lose weight or build mass? Your goal is to rewrite the system. Today, we're destroying the main myth about the scale and launching the process of body recomposition. Your body is hiding the energy to grow muscle right under your skin. We're going to show you how to force your body to use its own fat stores as rocket fuel for building biceps. This isn't magic or a secret spell from Hogwarts. It's a biological dimmer switch that nobody ever told you about. Most gym programs break everything into pieces. Chest today, cardio tomorrow. No, your body isn't a Lego set. It's a complex, living machine. We've analyzed dozens of studies and the experience of elite athletes to give you a step-by-step plan on how to burn fat and build muscle at the same time. And no, you don't have to live in the gym or survive on hopes and dreams. Stop believing that you have to either starve or turn into a bloated Thanksgiving turkey.
First thing you need to understand, forget aggressive diets. If you cut calories too hard, your body goes into survival mode. It starts burning your muscle faster than the fat on your stomach. Research shows that the sweet spot for recomposition is a small deficit of just 200 to 300 calories a day. This is that magical middle ground where your body has enough energy to build new tissue but is forced to pull from your fat stores to cover the daily costs. But this process simply won't start without the main building material, protein. Remember the number, 1.8. That's the grams of protein per kilogram of your weight, your ironclad minimum. Don't try to build a skyscraper out of straw. You need high-quality fuel, preferably from animal sources, to protect your muscles from breaking down in a deficit. Steak, eggs, and cottage cheese are your insurance. If you don't get enough protein, your body will start eating itself, and instead of an athletic physique, you'll just end up with loose skin. Now, let's talk training. You can't just lift the same dumbbells for 6 months and expect progress. Your body is a master of adaptation. It will only change when it has no other choice. Think of it like building a nuclear bunker. As long as the sun is shining, your brain says there's no point. But as soon as a tornado hits in the form of heavy weights and progressive overload, the body has to reinforce the walls. That means your muscles. Use the principle of compound stress training. Instead of doing a set and scrolling on your phone for 5 minutes, combine your movements. Turn your metabolic furnace into a nuclear reactor that burns calories even while you're just sitting in a lecture. Stick to the basics, squats, presses, and pull-ups. This forces the whole body to work at once. And don't be afraid to train hard. If you aren't struggling during those last 3 reps, you're just wasting time. Here's the secret most of you are missing. Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow while you're asleep. Sleep is your ultimate free anabolic tool. If you sleep less than 7 hours, your body blocks fat burning and starts actively destroying muscle tissue. Poor sleep literally flips your results upside down. You can grind in the gym and eat perfectly, but one all-nighter for an exam or a party can set your progress back by a week. Want to speed things up and use some legal cheat codes? Use creatine. It's the most researched supplement in the world and gives you the energy for those crucial final reps. Try cold showers in the morning. It's not just better than any energy drink, it activates brown fat, which helps burn the regular fat on your waist much faster. Arginine before your workout can help boost growth hormone levels by inhibiting somatostatin, giving you the edge that 99% of the people in your gym don't have. And the most important thing for your mental health, stop weighing yourself every day. Body recomposition is a long game. Your scale might show the exact same number for weeks, and that is perfectly normal. Why? Because muscle is much denser and heavier than fat. If your jeans are looser at the waist, but your shoulders look broader in the mirror, you're winning. Your brain will try to sabotage you, demanding quick changes on the scale. Don't fall for it. Your transformation doesn't start on Monday. It starts with the realization that you can change your biology right now. Stop choosing between cutting and bulking. Be smarter. Start today. Be disciplined. And in 6 months, you won't recognize the person in the mirror. Your body is the most important project of your life. So finally become its lead architect instead of just a bystander.